Hey guys, we received this TESSAN multi-plug outlet splitter for test and try. So this is a TESSAN 4-wall outlet extender with a 3 USB wall charger. So it's have a one USB-C and it's also a surge protector. It is like 2 to 4 outlets. Like you can see it here. So one or two of the 3-pin outlets on the front, one on the this side, one on this side. So 4 outlets, and then this have two USB and one USB-C. So it's very great. Like you can use one outlet and then charge at least multiple devices and use it in a really nice. So it's very helpful. Like if you want to charge your laptop, your speaker, your mobile, your tablet, everything all at once. So you can see it fits really well, and I can still use the other outlets. And this I'm just using as a test and try. So I just put one outlet here and see like one electric plug in here. So you can also use a USB thing to charge your cell phones and stuff. So the fittings and the sockets are really good. And let's see, like I'm just putting charging a mobile. So you can see the charging started here. So this is pretty good and nice. Everything is working good, and there's a light indicator a little bit as well.